Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Chemistry SR. Those who are new here, myself Subbarayudu. I teach chemistry in simple and engaging way. If you are interested, keep watching. In today's session, we are going to solve a problem related to half-life time and rate constant for first order reaction. 12th class chemistry or intermediate second year chemical kinetics lo untundi ee problem. Short questions ki important. Chudam. Calculate the half-life of first order reaction. Half-life time measure cheyamantunnadu. Whose rate constant is 200 second inverse. Rate constant ichchadu. Order first order reaction. Mundu ichindi raddam. So, given that em ichchadu rate constant is ani ichchadu. So, rate constant K is equals to 200 second inverse. Good. But what we need? Calculate the half-life. Everdi for first order. Sorry. For first order reaction, we know the relation half-life time. T half is equals to 0.693 by K. ఇది రిలేషన్ మనకు కే తెలుసు. సో ఇందులో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే సరిపోతుంది. సో టీ హాఫ్ ఇజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు మనకు కావాల్సింది కూడా హాఫ్ లైఫేగా. టీ హాఫ్ 0.693 బై కే అంటే 200 సెకండ్ ఇన్వర్స్. సో టీ హాఫ్ ఇజ్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు 0.693 by 200 name రాద్దాం. 2 into 10 to the power of minus 2 sorry 10 to the power plus 2 second inverse. 200 ను 2 into 10 square అని రాసాం సెకండ్ ఇన్వర్స్. ఇప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది? T half is equals to 0.693 by 2 into 10 to the power of minus 2 seconds. 10 square పైకి వస్తే minus 2 సెకండ్ ఇన్వర్స్ పైకి వస్తే సెకండ్. Therefore, T half is equals to 2 to divide 0.2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 13 ఉంటుంది, 2 6s are 12, 1 ఉంటుంది, 2 5s are 10 into 10 to the power of minus 2 seconds. ఇది half life time of first order reaction when rate constant is given. Okay, hope you understand. Keep watching for more videos. Thank you.